Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find a missing folder in Outlook. As you can see here in my Outlook, the Outbox folder is missing. To recover it, the first step is to close Outlook completely. Next, on your keyboard, press the Windows key and R at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box. In the box, type in outlook.exe space/reset folders. Then click on OK. Outlook will reopen automatically. If it doesn't, go ahead and open it. And as you can see now, the missing folder is back. And that's it. That's how we recover a missing folder in Outlook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.